HGTV and a lot of these real estate reality TV shows have created a huge misconception in the business, which is that when buyers go to the closing table, they're going to get the keys that same day. And that could be the case if you're buying a new construction home, but not always the case when you buy a resale property, which is actually most of the time. The key to get the keys that same day is for you to be able to sign in the morning, because it is important for the seller to receive the wire transfer and that they confirm that they received the wire transfer of the sale, for them to be able to release the keys over to us as buyer's agents to provide them over to you. So if you close in the morning, most likely by that afternoon, the seller will receive the wire and release the keys. But if you close in the afternoon on, for example, let's say on a Thursday, most likely the wire transfer goes out the next business day. So the next business day is when you will actually get the keys to your home. And this is a huge factor because buyers come in with the wrong expectations and they get disappointed when they sign on the dotted line and they don't get their keys right there on the spot. But this is actually standard practice. So now you know for next time when you go to a real estate closing, try to set yourself up to sign in the mornings so you get the keys that same day in the afternoon. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to ask. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time. Take care.